What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing an unboxing and a setup video for the Elgato Game Capture HD60S. Alright, now you can buy this product on Amazon.com and you can get it for $179.95. Alright, and there's a couple different models of this. You got the Game Capture HD60, and then you got the Game Capture HD60 Pro, which is the actual game card that you will put inside of a computer. And then you got the Game Capture HD60S, which is this one. Alright, now there's also another one which is just the Elgato Game Capture, which is the original one, and it's just the lesser version. It doesn't have as much features as these versions. Now this it records in stunning 1080p quality at 60 frames per second, state-of-the-art USB 3.0 Type-C connection, built-in live streaming straight to Twitch, YouTube, and more, instant game view stream with superior low latency technology, supported operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, Mac OS Sierra 10.12 or later. Now it says the stream command, you can add a webcam, overlays, and more. Alright, now the reason that this model was purchased was because it was said to have supremely low latency. Now most of y'all who don't know what latency means, it means like the time gap. So like, you know how you watch something and it like lags a little bit, like it's not as fast as like you're actually recording it. You know what I mean? You know, if you use a Bluetooth speaker and you watching a YouTube video, sometimes the mouth doesn't move as fast as the actual words that you were listening to coming out the speaker, or vice versa. You know, they move faster. So it's supposed to have really low latency, which was a plus, especially if you know using it for you're doing live streams and stuff like that. Now you can instantly record, which is recording your gameplay straight onto your computer. Now it says technical specification is an interface USB 3.0. You can use it for the PlayStation 4, Xbox One, unencrypted HDMI. Output is HDMI pass-through up to 1080p 60 frames per second, and supported resolutions is 1080p at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 frames per second, 1080i 720p with 60 frames per second, 720p with 30 frames per second, fast 76p or fast 76i 480p, and up to 40 megabits per second is the capture bit rate. Alright, now like I said, there's a couple different models, so depending on what you're looking for, then you might want to, you know, make sure that you're picking the right thing. Now, system requirements: you need a 4th generation quad-core Intel i5 CPU or something comparable to that. Intel HD or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 600 are better. 4 gigabytes of RAM, built-in USB 3.0, and an internet connection. Alright, now we went over mostly everything else, and it's time to open up the package. Alright. Alright. Battery getting the plastic on. Alright, so there you go. Get that off. Let's check out the box, you know what I mean? If that's what you want to do. Now you can use it for the PS4 Pro and the PS4, the Xbox One or the Xbox One S, Nintendo Switch. Alright. So open this up. And open that up. And this is Game Capture. Now in order to start the process, you want to download the software. So you'd have to go to Elgato Game Capture HD, elgato.com/gaming/download, and that's how you'll get your download. The software, and this is what the Elgato actually looks like. All right, so there's actually a light strip right here, and this is where you go. This is the HDMI cord that goes in. So USB Type C, HDMI goes out. Nothing really on the bottom. And I'll show you how to connect this. So you'll have everything connected the right way. Now it comes with, this is your USB Type C cable. So if you got a USB Type C connector in your laptop or your desktop, then you want to go into there, and that's easy. You know what I mean? You plug USB into your laptop, computer, or whatever. Then you plug the Type C into here. Then you would take your HDMI wire and you will run one end of the wire to your PlayStation and then into the Elgato, and the other end of the wire will go from your TV into the Elgato. So the way you have to have it connected is, alright, right here you connect your USB. Y'all see that? You connect your USB to your computer, and then the other half goes into the USB-C port right here on the Elgato. Alright, then you take the cord from the Elgato HDMI and you put it in the in slot, so HDMI in to the PS4. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see that, but into the PS4, which is right here, the HDMI slot in the PS4. So PS4 HDMI into Elgato in HDMI. Alright, then the out HDMI goes to the TV. So from the out slot, it goes up into your TV, and that's how you get the connection. Now if I show you my TV, that's what it looks like. So it's on my TV, and as you see over here, it's on my screen. Alright, but this is the setup to put it on. You gotta have it set up like this. Now this is for the PlayStation 4. I don't know the setup to the Xbox, but it's probably really similar. Set your settings and everything. Make sure you got the HDCP taken off, or you'll just get a blank screen in here. You know what I mean? You'll just get the blank screen. You won't get anything in there. So make sure that y'all keep that off, or turn it off if it's on. You know what I mean? And that's it. You know what I mean? So have fun with your Elgato, and hopefully y'all putting out some good content, so you know, build that channel up. But it's DOAKABONDS Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is click the description, go into the description, click on every one of those links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.